A classic strawberry rhubarb crisp.
One of the all-time favorites for enjoying frozen fruit.
You don't have to thaw the fruit, but as you can see, I like to cut some of my bigger berries. If you have a lot of ice crystals in your fruit, you definitely want to shake those off or rinse them off and then let your fruit drain really well so that you're not introducing extra moisture. I'm going to add half a cup of sugar, half to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Give that a little toss. Add a couple of little pats of butter. Let's get to the topping. 2/3 cup of flour, 1 cup of oats, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, cinnamon. Let's get our oven started with 375. Now, because we're using frozen, normally we would cook this for about 40 to 45 minutes. It may take an additional 10, maybe even 15 minutes. When I add half a cup of butter, I want to work that butter into my oats. Everything looks like wet sand. I can go ahead and distribute that on top. Voila, ready for the oven for about 50 minutes. And you want to see that fruit bubbling. Frozen fruit at its best.